Konnichiwa, Tiffany Gales. Welcome back to my channel, and today I wanted to share with you guys my top 5 Korean lip tints, because if you're anything like me and love food and drink excessive amounts of coffee, it's probably deteriorating your body at this minute. That's really depressing. But lipsticks definitely don't cut it in that situation, and lip tints are going to be your best friend. So if you're looking for lip tints to purchase in the near future or the future, you're in the right place. So I definitely had to include my go-to PeriPera lip tints in this video. I always carry one with me in my makeup bag. These are a staple lip tint, especially if you're starting out your collection. And PeriPera offers quite a big shade range out of any of the Korean lip tints that I've seen so far, and I've tried out quite a bit. Not only are these lip tints super moisturizing, they're super pigmented, but they come in a lot of different finishes as well, which is very unusual for Korean lip tints. They do offer a matte one, they do an ink velvet one, which I really do like. It's almost like a mid satin finish, and they have the original one, which is more of a vibrant lip tint that you would normally see. Another reason why I really love PeriPera lip tints is because PeriPera itself does a really good job with coming out with a lot of different colors each season. I find that Korean lip tints tend to stay in 3 different shades. They usually come in red, orange, and some kind of pink, and I really love how PeriPera offers a lot of different colors, especially when you don't want to stick with just a regular color and you want to pick something that's more fun or more purpley. So I really do love PeriPera for their huge shade range. So the next lip tint that I have here, it has a very special place in my heart because this is the first ever lip tint that I purchased when getting into Kbeauty. This is probably like the 6th or 7th bottle. You should definitely look to see if your makeup is expired and repurchase if you like the product. Now this lip tint doesn't come in a lot of different colors. I think they only come in 3 different colors, but honestly, if you're looking for something that lasts through everything, like coffee, food, a hamburger, anything. I love how the hamburger was in its own category, but this will literally last you through everything. I absolutely love it. It doesn't come in a lot of different shades, but it makes up for it in the lasting power. Now, if you're looking to create the perfect gradient lip like all of your favorite K-pop idols, the Etude House Dear Darling tints are going to be your best friend. I absolutely love this because of the consistency. It's almost like a watery jelly consistency. It's super easy to apply, and the best thing about it is that it's so lightweight. If you're definitely the type of person who doesn't like wearing a lot of things, or if you're just going to the gym and need a little bit of color on your lips, this feels like you're wearing nothing, but it stains your lips, and I absolutely love it. It does not go into the creases of your lips at all. It feels like you're wearing absolutely nothing on your lips while giving a nice flush of color onto your lips. I said lips like a lot in that sentence. But if you really want to try out the gradient lip look, or if you're looking for something that's super lightweight and easy and you don't have to think about, definitely try these ones out. Okay, for those of you guys who are a little bit more adventurous when it comes to lip color, or you're looking for something that's a little bit more fashion forward in a sense, definitely try out the Chateau Labiotte wine lip tints. These actually broke the internet because of how cute it is. It looks like a miniature wine bottle, but it's actually just a lip tint. Now, I find that the Labiotte line does a really great job of incorporating really dark colors that you don't really see in just like Kbeauty in general, but this comes with a lot of like purples and deep reds, definitely more wine colored, wine inspired lips that will help you get like a vampier look. It's definitely something that I gravitate towards in the fall time, but I really do love it. It's super lightweight, very, very easy to apply, and if you're looking for something a little bit darker or something to use as a gradient lip just for the inner part of your lips, it's definitely something that you should try out. And last but not least, for those of you guys who have very dry lips and need a moisturizing lip tint, my favorite has to be the Pony Effect Favorite Fluid Lip Tint. Yeah, that's what it's called. But this is a very different lip tint than any of the other lip tints that I've shown you guys, just because it comes in a different consistency. It's almost like a liquid lipstick, and it goes on very glossy compared to anything else I've shown you. But I honestly really do love it. It keeps your lips moisturized. I definitely gravitate to these, especially in the winter time. When I was traveling to Japan and China in the winter, these were my best friend. I carry them around with me all the time. If you want your lips to be stained but you want to go for a more glossy look, this is definitely something that you should try out. It's super moisturizing, but it also comes out in like a glossier finish as well, and it's not matte, so just keep that in mind when you're trying to pick one of these up. So that was it for this week's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you guys have lip tint recommendations, please leave it in the comments, because I love lip tints. I'm always on the hunt for a new one, even though I have probably way too many for any single person, but I would really love to hear from you guys what you guys would recommend. Thank you guys so much for the support as always. If you haven't done so already and you want to join the family, make sure to go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. It's right down there. And in the meantime, if you're bored, I do Instagram too, so let's be friends over there. I post a lot more about my daily life and what I wear and stuff like that. So I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for the support as always. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mata ne! Mwah!